चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And first up, we get you these latest pictures of TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu, who is meeting with MPs in Vijayawada. If sources are to be believed, the discussion was held on cabinet berths and portfolios, the development that comes a day after Naidu attended the NDA meeting in the national capital yesterday. And I cut across to my colleague Aneri, who has been tracking all these developments on the ground. Aneri, we do understand Naidu has pledged his unconditional support to the NDA, and he has been maintaining that time and again. However, his key leaders who are wanting certain demands to be met, as according to what we gather from our sources, 5 to 6 portfolios that they would want within the cabinet. What more are you learning in terms of how Naidu is likely to negotiate?
Has the highest number when we talk about the NDA alliance after the BJP, and that is the reason why right now Chandrababu Naidu holds a key position in the NDA, and based on that only we are seeing that there are talks going on with the TDP MPs and the TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu, with the meeting which is going on at the residence of Chandrababu Naidu, where the decision, and there are talks also going on which portfolios to be taken, and also how many berth in the union cabinet to be asked for. And also at the same time, what we are being told is that all the MPs of the TDP will be a part of the NDA meeting tomorrow in the national capital. All the MPs will be travelling to the national capital tonight. For whoever is in Vijayawada, whoever is in Andhra Pradesh, will be travelling from their constituencies to the national capital tonight itself. And also at the same time, a lot of developments which have been taking place when we talk about the oath-taking ceremony also of Chandrababu Naidu, which has now been postponed to 12th, is what we are being told, because after the Prime Minister takes oath as for the third term, Chandrababu Naidu will be taking oath here in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So Prime Minister is also expected to attend the oath-taking of Chandrababu Naidu. But amid all of this, we see first visuals coming in from the meeting of the TDP chief along with his MPs, where discussions on the ministerial berth and also the portfolios is being discussed, and a lot of what should be asked for by the central team to the BJP is also being talked about. So we'll have to wait and watch what would be the next move by Chandrababu Naidu. And also one more important thing is that the funds from the central government would be one of the major demand of the Chandrababu Naidu for the development of the state of Andhra Pradesh, as he focuses on the development, Amravati to be the capital. And also we'll have to wait and watch if Chandrababu Naidu goes ahead and asks for special status for Andhra Pradesh, because remember, that's one of the long pending demands which has been going on since the time the state was divided. So we'll have to wait for more details to come in. But yes, as of now, the TDP MPs will be a part of the NDA meeting tomorrow in the national capital, and all these MPs will be travelling to Delhi tonight itself.
Oh yes, absolutely, Aneri. And how strongly will these demands figure as part of those negotiations is something we'll track very closely. For the moment, thank you for joining us. We shift our focus to more breaking news.